In closing, what can the church do now to ensure that we don't get tired of encouraging our people, pushing our people, and pushing our donors as well? They also can get tired. Let me begin with Sister Astridah, then Bishop Banda can close for us.
Okay, thank you so much. As you are talking, I'm responding and thinking to myself, love will sum it up. So love of self, love of neighbor. Because if I love myself, I'll take care of myself, I'll feed myself well, I'll keep healthy. If I love my neighbor, I'll do the same for them. So if I get vaccinated, I encourage my neighbor to do the same. If I follow all the health protocols, I do it for myself and for my neighbor. And if we have that in mind, it means that we are keeping safe, our communities remain safe, and our families are safe, happy, and healthy. So we know that we are getting into the festive season. We are thinking of going to my grandmother's place and to that uncle, but we know that now, because I love my neighbor, I may not do that because it's risky. So I'll put them in danger of contracting COVID-19. Therefore, for the love I have for them, I stay at home with my family, enjoy our Christmas season and all that. So let love lead. Let love make us do things for ourselves and for others that otherwise would love them to do for ourselves as well. So I think if we begin by putting love first in everything we do, and of course God, then we are going to fight this pandemic together.
Beautiful, beautiful. Bishop Banda.
Thank you very much. Yes, I think of the acronym TEAM, which many of you are familiar with, TEAM. Together, everyone achieves more. I cannot overemphasize the importance of working together. The American Embassy today has given us a platform. This is a shared platform. This is the kind of teamwork that we expect to sustain these efforts. When we're working together, there's encouragement. So the core sharing of not just costs, but the core sharing of morale, encouragement, values, and encouraging one another. It lessens suspicion, increases trust. So I'm calling us to sustained teamwork at every level. Those of us who are engaged in policy and provision of these services, let's continue to go down to the communities. As a faith leader, some of the greatest encouragements I have derived have come from very ordinary interactions with the people in the community who say to you, let me make this very quick. A number of it comes very, very strong. About a month and a half ago, we were in Northern Province seeing our churches, and we had arranged a gift of a bicycle for one of our pastors. We gave that publicly because he's a pastor who's been working hard and looking after churches, walking 20, 30 kilometers to churches. Long and short, we gave that bicycle and he called his team and received it. Then that evening, he sent a text. And the text said, we received that bicycle not with our hands, but with our hearts. The community has ways of just giving you back the zest and the strength. And it's important that we remain with that in mind so that we're not in it for ourselves. It's for God and for the people in the community. And of course, for us as a faith community, when our strength fails, Isaiah 40, verse 31 reminds us that those that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. Moderator, I can tell you that God will have ways of renewing us. So the fatigue is manageable, both for us as providers and for those who are receiving. May God help us. Thank you, American Embassy, and thank you, the American people, for all your gifts to us as a community, and we continue to work together. May God bless you.